Okay, so then you brought up Bounty and Doulas up. How did you connect with Bounty and Doulas in the first place?
Well, them used to come through every day. Some look at it. Sometimes they ride bicycle. But Doulas, me know Doulas on him at school. I think Doulas used to go JC.
Mm-hmm.
Some purple and something blue. Doulas a bright youth, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Well educated youth with Doulas. So I saw me know me and Doulas used to link first. And then Bounty, because Bounty was a little youth with just shy, him not too talk and listen, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So me and Doulas was the friend. So everything when I tell Doulas. And that's how I get to know Bounty.
Mm-hmm.
So me will go Uncle T on Saturdays, because Uncle T used to record Saturday. It was film time, and through Uncle T, you know, so I know it, him always ask me to listen this and listen that and harmonize this and harmonize. I mean, you tell you, say, no, that not right, that not right, this right. So that's how me and Doulas become good friends now, because every time we get a special Doulas, you will come sing harmony, and me give him $50. Yeah, man. And we didn't know that Doulas write Bounty early songs.
Yes, Doulas was very instrumental in writing a lot of the songs also.
Right, majority of them songs.
Mm-hmm.
Doulas wrote them.
Doulas, because you were saying earlier that it was John you said didn't like to record Bounty Killer at that time.
No, because they can't talk to Bounty.
Mm-hmm.
Bounty so fiercely. What? All right, me and Bounty catch up all the time and me record him. Because if him had something, I mean, I like me, I go say, no. And him I go, boy, Roach, you're a DJ. Me I say, who you talk to me? Me I say, who teach you for DJ, boy? And him always cuss me out, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me always cuss him back, you know. But then in the end, he must say, all right, Father, what you hear him say? You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Because I know so me not tell him wrong. Me not tell him nothing wrong. Everything when me I tell Bounty, I feel my own use. But he's a little man, he's very proud, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Him no Bounty not hype, you know. Him just proud.
Got you.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So he's not going to take any little thing from nobody. Like, you know what? He's not hype, he's just proud.
Mm-hmm. What songs did you actually record with Killer or for him at that time there?
Yeah, man, I mean record. Book. When I take up on the book. I mean record. Mama is not in a good mood. The basket in the kitchen running out of food, yes? Papa can't find the next time. They blow out the money and then you know what I mean? Because record them songs.
Mm-hmm.
And no song recorded Killer, man. I say, who girl for this amount of nature? Yeah, man, record them songs.
So you were basically the engineer for John at this time there then?
Jammys, but John calling him a record Killer.
Mm-hmm.
Jammys more coming, but John, Roach, Vice Killer for me, and I said, no, sir. Come to kill Roach, boy. No, man, because them afraid for Killer, because if they talk to Killer run them away. Killer won't listen to me, even though sometimes he cuss me out.
Mm-hmm.
But if he cuss me out, me cuss him out back. You see what I say?
Mm-hmm.
So, he more respect me, because he knows me not test. Me not doing wrong, I said him wrong place. You know what I mean?
For sure.
Yeah, Killer, all right. I'm telling you what, Killer. Killer, listen to me when we tell him to do something. All when he grumble and talk, he come back and do it. Because he knows, say, me I put him on the right track. Mm-hmm. All right, you see, if I'm not there and Killer voice a song, as you come, you say, yo, Roach, listen to that song there for me now. And me go listen to him and say, yes, Killer, it's bad. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Likewise, if me do a song, I'm going to bounty upon it like when me do Nitty Kochi, running up your beak, say you run the street, then you check it out, you don't even brush your teeth. Because Killer always want my voice to you with them. Like the Elephant Man, the Daily Bread, the Bramwell, the Boom Dynamite, Kochi. So when me voice Kochi that time, as book Killer come and say, Killer, listen to that song. And he just say, with your bag of gun talk, say you got this and that, and you know, left him kill him and galak. You know what I mean? And it done, because him know say, me nah lead him astray. You understand? That's how the thing go.
Like that. Because that song originally was just Nitty Kutchy, and then you guys added Bounty.
Yes, I advise Don Evelyn because Nitty Kutchy is a good singer, but him sing a lot off key. You know what I mean? Nobody don't record him. So I promised him always I say, so Father Roach, so I say, all right, Nitty Kutchy. I promise him I'm going to record you this evening, yeah? So when I go in, I say, Father Roach, remember say that? I say, all right, come Nitty, I'm going to the studio. That was around like 6 o'clock. And we never come out till like Minister 1. And then that song come from it.
Classic. These songs you're talking about are classic Jammys bounty killer songs, you know, boss.
Yeah, man. You see, the thing is this, when me record a song with an artist, anyone can tell you this. Whether he's a singer, I don't scared for record you. You have to sing right for me. And that's how people don't understand. When you tell them to sing right, they must say you have fight against them. It's not fight against. You have to sing the song properly. Because I'm coming from the hotel, if you sing half key, 30 years. You understand what I'm saying? So when a man can't get the key, him say me a fight against him. Well, I hear believe that, you know, brother. But I don't say it go.
You're doing it for the better of the artist, the better of the song, the better of everything. You know what I mean?
When me take it, a man can say, Roach, take it now. How it sounds on Colin Roach, take it. That time you would say, me not really want you to sing. And just me that.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.